Hi, I thought I would talk to you about credentials. So for workflows, we can edit the workflow and we can see the credentials being used. So here we can see David Simpson's being used, but we could add a new account. And I'm going to add Adele here. And now Adele shows up here, but let's say we made a mistake and we don't want to use Adele's credentials here and we'd like to delete them out of Monday.com. How do we go about and do that? Well, you should go into Autopilot Hub and into Connections, and then you should go in and look for Adele. But if we look in here, we can see that Adele's credentials aren't in there yet. So yeah, that's not good, is it? So how do we delete Adele's credentials? Well, the first thing that we need to do in order to delete Adele's credentials is to select Adele and update the workflow here. Now we can go into Autopilot Hub, look at connections, and we should be able to see somewhere, where is she? There, here's Adele here. So now we can delete Adele's credentials. So we can go in there and delete them. And that's deleted. And if we go back to the workflow, it still says that that Adele's there, but it now won't work. So the next step we need to do now is replace Adele in here with somebody else, and we've already got David Simpson done here, and we can update the workflow. So now that that's updated, again you can have a look in here and we can see that we've got David in a variety of places. But the important thing is, if you want to delete somebody's credentials out of Monday.com, they have to be connected in either a workflow or an automation first before they show up in this Autopilot Hub, and it then allows you to delete them. So yeah, that's the trick on how to delete credentials in Monday.com.